Welcome to the program Amar Gore, Amar School. I am Soid Firoz Alam. Today I am going to discuss a lesson from English for Today book. It is Unit 4 and Lesson 4 and 5. Let us start our lessons today. It is our unit and the learning outcomes of this unit you can see here. Now let us learn the learning outcomes of today's lesson. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, answer multiple choice questions, write answers to questions, write short composition. So dear students, let us start our lesson. But can you see a picture here? Can you guess it? You can see fixed price and there is a store. So it may be a fixed price shop. Okay. So our lesson is fixed price shop. Before starting our lesson, we will learn some keywords. Here you can see some words, their Bangla meaning as well as some synonym. Stationery. Stationery, it means you can buy paper, pen, pencils and any other materials related to your study. Bargain. Bargain means negotiate or haggle. Again, haggle means bargain or debate. Offer. Offer means proposition or pay. Everyone. It means to share the same opinion. So, there are a few keywords here. Now, let's see a picture from this lesson. The picture indicates a fixed price shop. In this picture, you can see some students, they are buying things. Now, we will go to the lesson. Read the text, answer the following questions. Miss Shahana Huda is talking to the students about a new kind of shop. Miss Shahana Huda is talking with her students about a new kind of shop. Shahana, you can buy any stationery items here like pens, pencils, notebooks, colored paper, in fact everything you need for writing and drawing. You can also buy some food items like biscuits, buns, bananas, bottles of mineral water and some other necessary things. Ms. Shahana Huda tells her students that they can buy items like pens, pencils, notebooks, colored paper, in fact everything they need for writing and drawing. They can also buy some food items like biscuits, buns, bananas, bottles of mineral water and some other necessary things. You can also buy your school uniform and other clothes. There are a number of benefits of this shop and this shop has a number of benefits. You don't have to bargain or haggle with the shopkeeper over the prices of anything. Hriday, what is bargain or haggle, teacher? Then Hriday wants to know what is bargain or haggle from Miss Shahana Huda. Shahana, suppose you want to buy a shirt or dress in a shop in the market. Suppose someone wants to buy a shop or a dress in the market. You ask, how much is this? Then you may ask the price of this shirt. The shopkeeper says 300 taka. Then the shopkeeper replies, the price of this shirt is 300 taka. But in many cases, this price is more than the real price. But in many cases, the price may be more than that. So you offer 200 taka or even less. So in that case, you offer the shopkeeper that you will pay 200 taka. The shopkeeper says, no, I can't sell it for 200 taka. Then the shopkeeper may say, no, I won't sell it for 200 taka. Then you offer 225 taka and he may still say, no, it will be a loss for me. Then you may offer something more, that may 225 taka, and even he may still say, no, it will be a loss for him. The process of asking and offering more and less money is called bargaining or haggling. So The process of asking and offering more or less money is called bargaining or haggling. It goes on until you both, buyer and seller, agree on a price, say 250 taka in this case. Then the bargaining or haggling may continue until you both, the buyer and seller, agree on a price. This price is acceptable to both of you. Suppose whenever you say 250 taka, it may be acceptable to the shopkeeper and to you. Sajia, if there is no bargaining, how are we going to buy things? Then Sajia wants to know, if there is no bargaining, how they will go to buy things. Shahana, you don't need to bargain. It will be a fixed price shop. Then Shahana says that they don't need to bargain because it will be a fixed price shop. Now, dear students, guess the picture. You can see a picture titled Morality Shop, and it indicates more than honesty. So, our next lesson is Morality Shop. Before starting our lessons, we will learn some keywords. You can see some keywords: price tag, consigns, and pre. Price tag. Price tag means selling price. Consigns. It means judgment or feeling. Prick. It means hurt or tear. So, I hope the meanings are clear to you. Move on to our next slide. Read the conversation to know more about Morality Shop. Then answer the following questions. Okay, now we will read about Morality Shop. Shahana, today I am going to tell you about a new kind of shop where there will be no shopkeeper. Miss Shahana says that today he is going to tell about a new kind of shop where there will be no shopkeeper. The price of each item or thing will be written on a small piece of paper. Actually, it may seem strange to you because a shop without a shopkeeper is actually a new idea. The price of each item or thing will be written on a small piece of paper. In this shop, the price of items or things will be written on a small piece of paper. This price tag will be attached to the item or items, and this price tag will be attached to the item or items. You will pick any item you like. You can choose any item you like. Look at the price tag. Then you have to look at the price tag and put the money in the box kept there. And then you have to put the money in a box kept there. And the thing is now yours. And whenever you have kept the money in the box, the thing is yours. Sheila, in that case, someone may take a thing and go away without paying. There is possibility that someone may take anything they like and they may go away without paying the money. Shahana, nobody will do that. Shahana says that nobody will do that. If anybody does, it will be stealing. If anybody does such kind of act, it will be stealing. Because if you buy anything from a shop without paying the money, and if you take it away, then it will be stealing. Then Ratul says, who will see them stealing? As there is no shopkeeper, who will see them stealing? Shahana, consigns. In reply, Miss Shahana says that consigns. Do you know what consigns is? Dear students, do you know what consigns is? Okay. There is something in your mind called consigns. There is something in your mind and it is called consigns. It tells you whether your actions are right or wrong. It tells us whether our actions are right or wrong. Is stealing a right thing or a wrong thing? Dear students, is stealing a right thing or wrong thing? Definitely it is a wrong thing. Students, wrong thing. In reply, the students say that stealing is a wrong thing. Shahana, then your conscience will tell you this is a wrong thing. And Miss Shahana says that then his or her conscience will tell him or her that this is a wrong thing, you must not do it. If you steal or do a bad thing, your conscience will prick you and trouble you. If you steal or do a bad thing, your conscience will prick you. It will haunt you and trouble you. And you will never have your peace of mind. And you will never have your peace of mind. So, to be a good and happy person, so if you want to be a good and happy person, you should have a clear conscience. You should possess a clear conscience. So, this is the passage about morality shop. In this passage, we have seen that it is a new idea. Actually, it also seems strange to us because we are accustomed to seeing shopkeepers in the shop. But it is one kind of shop where there will be no shopkeeper, but there will be items that you can choose, you can pick, you can buy. The price of things will be written on a small paper and it will be attached to the item or items. Then you can choose any item of your own choice. Then you have to see the price tag. You have to put the money in a box kept there and the thing is yours. But there is possibility that one may take anything without paying there. And we know that it is stealing, and stealing is a bad thing. But who will see them stealing? Nobody will see there. But it is conscience which will haunt us. It will tell us that it is bad or it is wrong. Now, let us do some exercise from this lesson. It is multiple choice questions. First one, tick the best answers to the questions following multiple choice questions. Number one, the students are confused. The underlined words means they can think clearly, cannot understand, are unable to speak. So, are confused means cannot understand. Number two, when you buy a thing from a morality shop, you pay the money to the office, pay the money later, put the money in the shop. What will you do? So, whenever you buy a thing from a morality shop, you put the money in the shop. Number three, a person with a clear conscience usually does the wrong thing, always gets confused, always does the right thing. So the person who possesses a clear conscience always does the right thing. So the answer will be C. So dear students, this is the passage all about. Now as usual, I will give you some homework from this lesson. Number one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a morality shop? You have to write the answer. And number B, what kind of shop will you prefer? A fixed price shop or a morality shop? Why? So there are two questions here. You have to read the text and you have to answer the following questions. You must do your homework, and whenever your school will open, you must show this homework to your class teacher or subject teacher. Dear students, if you want to see this class again, please go to our Facebook page, Amar Gore Amar School, or you can go to YouTube channel, or you can also visit Kishore Batan to see this class again. Dear students, stay safe, and that's all for today. Thank you all and see you again.